Hi, in today's class I'm going to teach you about how to open Adobe Premiere Pro and then how to import a video and export a video. Alright, in the previous class we were talking about the Adobe Premiere Pro interface as such, right? Today we'll be learning about importing and exporting video. Okay, so how do you start with Adobe Premiere Pro? To begin using Adobe Premiere Pro, you should be choosing the icon and core apps on the starting menu. The first thing you will see is a box asking whether you would like to create a new project or work on an existing project. The most recent projects will appear as their titles above new project. Can you see here this one? So the next window you see will ask you to name your project and you can give any name of your choice. It could be sample or your own name or the project name as well. Okay. From there you will be asked to specify the project as presets. These are to do with the size of the video you're working with and audio quality you use. So if you're filming using flip cameras, you would be best using DV-PAL standard 48 kilohertz. I think this Premiere Pro interface I had already taught to you. Next, importing also you know. File, import, and once the video is imported, it will be placed on the bin here in the project window. And you can organize the different videos imported using the bin folder. Next is how do you edit your footage. To begin editing your footage, you must drag it into the timeline by holding down left mouse, click on film or audio icon and then drag it on the timeline. Or simply you can just select the video you had imported already, drag and drop it in the timeline. Once you drag and drop it, this is how the video file will look like. Can you see this point here? This one is the center point. Up of it is the video file and bottom of it is the audio file of the same video file. Okay. Now how do you unlink this audio and video? You remember, you'll have to select the entire thing like this way and then right click, give unlink so that the video are unlinked, and now you can separate audio and video. Now audio can be deleted and you can import into another audio and then put it in the timeline. So cutting out the bad parts of your footage can be done using the razor tool. To make a cut on your footage, press C on your keyboard and you will notice your cursor will change into a razor blade. To change as a razor blade, you can either go and select in the toolbox or you can simply press C. Okay. So next you need to move the cursor to where you want to make a cut and press the left mouse button to make a cut. So if you find this lacks accuracy, try moving the red line on your timeline to where you want to cut and make it on the red line. This is more accurate way of making transitions. And how do you add effect? There are like too many effects that are already given in the Premiere Pro interface. You will just have to drag the different effects, put it on the video or on the audio to check how each effect works. So to add an effect, you will have to just click the effect and put it and drag it on the video file. Okay. The effects are all stored in drop-down menus within the effects window. Just hit the arrow to find the one you want. When you have found the effect you require, then drag it onto the timeline the same way you did your footage and the effect will be applied. When the effect is in an area that it can be applied, it will turn a burgundy color. Let go of the left click button and it will be applied as well. So can you see here? This cross dissolve effect has been selected and it has been dragged and dropped here so that this color is changed. Yeah. Okay, like that. There are like too many effects that you could try. And sometimes we want to add titles to our video. No, for that, here in the menu bar, click title, new title, and default still, roll or crawl. It depends on the different effects. And there will be a new title. Add that. And with all these word art, you can type your title. With text tool, you can type, and also the same can be dragged and dropped here. Yeah. So this is how you will be adding title. Now, how do you export your video? File, again export media. If you give, and you can select the format you would like to choose. So once this is done, the video will be export it and you can enjoy it. So thank you for watching.